Naomi's Corner. Today will be really exciting because I'm going to share with you an amazing recipe. I will fry frozen chicken with Lechon Kawali, the pork belly, without the use of oil and without any seasoning, using my electric skillet. So, before we start frying, you have to make sure that your electric skillet is already preheated for like about 7 minutes for 450 degrees. Okay? Now, to test if our electric skillet is all set for frying, we're gonna test this with a little bit of water. Wow! So when you see the water bounces like a pearl, that means we are ready to fry. Okay, so let's get started. So all you need to do is start with your frozen chicken. And you can actually use any parts of the chicken, but what I'm using here is the chicken thighs and with the skin on. Okay, just put that in. And then I have here, I just put a little bit of the garlic powder on my pork belly. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick it on the side just like that. Wow, this is going to be really exciting, cooking two meat all at the same time. Wow, I can smell it now. All right, so just dump everything together. Pork belly with your chicken thighs. Exciting. All right, and then we're gonna fully cover the lid since our chicken is actually frozen. And then we're gonna set the temperature to 450 and then set the timer first to 20 minutes, okay? So once 20 minutes is up, we're gonna flip it and then we're gonna cook it for another 20 minutes. You can actually cook it for 15 minutes on each side, but I want 20 because it's gonna be really crispier. So we're gonna get back after 20 minutes. So 20 minutes is up. We are ready to check and flip the chicken and the pork belly. When opening your lid, you have to make sure you're opening it away from your electric skillet. Just like so. Alright? So we're gonna see if it's ready. Wow. Easy to flip. Okay, and then let's check on the pork belly. Wow, look at that. Very nice. Ooh la la! Looks good. And then we're gonna set the temperature again for 450 for another 20 minutes. And your Lechon Kawali and fried chicken is ready. Cover it again. Set the temperature again for 450 degrees for another 20 minutes. And your Lechon Kawali con fried chicken is ready. Now, our time is up, so we're ready to open our electric skillet and check on our Lechon Kawali and fried chicken. Wow, look at this! It's ready! Wow! And then we have your Lechon Kawali. Remember, we started frying the chicken and then the pork belly without the use of oil. Look how much oil we got from frying it. Wow! Isn't that amazing that in Saladmaster, we remove the oil while we fry it? In the traditional method, you use a lot of oil. So what happens is, your cookware really needs oil, not the chicken. In here, we have you the healthier version of the fried chicken and then the pork belly. Now here, I just want to show you how our Saladmaster fried in electric skillet is cooked all the way to the bone. As you can see, there's no trace of blood. So it's cooked all the way. Now I have here my son, my favorite son, he's my only son, to try the fried chicken and then Lechon Kawali.
Very crunchy.
Delicious,
and
right?
Very delicious. With no oil or seasoning.
So now your family can enjoy a healthier version of our fried chicken and Lechon Kawali. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and subscribe to Naomi's Corner for more delicious recipes using Saladmaster. Stay amazing!